Hello, everybody. Hello, grade 5. How are you today? Okay, are you okay? Good? Okay, so our subject for this time is science. Okay, science, and our lesson is about genetic traits and heredity. Okay, genetic traits and heredity in humans. Okay, in humans like us. So let's read the meaning of inherited traits. Inherited traits, a physical characteristic that is passed from parents to their babies or offsprings, like eye color, hair, skin color, curly hair, straight hair, dimples, freckles, short or tall. Okay, this passing of traits is called heredity. Okay, heredity. When you get your example, your mother is curly hair, has a curly hair. So if you are curly hair, you get that one from your mother. You get the traits from your mother. Or example, like your father is tall and then you are tall also. So that traits you get from your father. Okay? Okay, example, inherited traits. Eye color, skin color, hair color, curly or straight hair, dimples, freckles, and height. Now look at this picture. You can see different families. Okay, Asian families, black and white parents, black parents, and this one you can see. Look at this picture. Try to notice this. The mother has a red, I think it's color red hair, and has freckles on her face. Okay, has freckles on her face. So you see that the daughter also has red hair and has also freckles on her face. So she get that traits from her mother. Also this picture, you can see the mother and the father are curly. Okay, so they have curly hairs. So the baby is also curly. On here, you can see the mother is white and the father is black. Okay, so the baby, wow, good combination. The baby is curly but white color skin, right? This one is beautiful. And of course, Asian family, maybe this is Thai family. So you can see, okay, they have black hair. Okay, maybe the eyes of the daughter is same like her father. Okay. Now look at this example. Dad, son, and mom. So the son get his blue eyes from his father. And his ears also he get from his father. Also, the son gets his hair from her mother, from his mother. Right? Look at that. And also his height he gets from her or his mother also. Okay, hereditary characteristics. Now, look at this one. The father and the mother. Mother has straight brown hair. We have here two siblings, daughter and son. So the daughter inherited straight brown hair from her mother. But the daughter get her eyes from her father. She has brown eyes. So she inherited brown eyes from her father. Okay, how about the sun? So the sun get her nose and skin color from his mother. Okay, nose and skin color is from her mother. His mother. But his black hair, he gets from his father.ใช่ไหม? Okay, black hair, he gets from his father. But how are these traits passed on from parents to offspring? How? Okay, look at this one. This is a human cell. Okay, we have this one in our body. A lot, million of cells in our body. And in order for us to see this one, we need to use a device. We call this device microscope. Okay, scientists, doctors, medical practitioners use microscope. Okay, they use microscope in laboratory, in the hospital, so they use microscope. Especially medtech, right? Medical technologists. Okay, this is a human cell, as you see. So here is what we call the human cell.ใช่ไหม? So we have like this in our body. Inside, we can see nucleus.ใช่ไหม? We called it nucleus. Inside the nucleus, we can see the chromosomes. There is a chromosomes inside the nucleus in our body. So here you can see, so here is the chromosomes inside the nucleus. Okay, X. It's like an X. So there you can see your father and your mother chromosomes. Okay, your father and your mother chromosomes inside the nucleus and inside the human cell. So here, if your mother and your father, if your mother and father combine together and the sperm and the egg cell combine, so we have, it can create fertilized egg,ใช่ไหม? It creates human fetus. Okay, so from your father there are 23 chromosomes, and from the mother there is also 23 chromosomes. So when we add 23 plus 23, so we have 46 chromosomes in our cell. So this one, human has 46 chromosomes. Cat has 38 chromosomes. Onion has 18 chromosomes. So as you see the difference, human has the highest chromosomes among the three. Okay. So here, so this one is the chromosomes, right? It's like X. It's a big X. So this, in a chromosomes, you can see there small strips. And we call that strips like as DNA. Okay, we call these strips as DNA. And this one is double helix. You can see double helix. And there you can see the DNA. We called it DNA inside the chromosomes. Genes. What are genes? Okay, let's find out what are genes. So, inside the human cell, human cell, there is a nucleus. Inside the nucleus, may chromosomes.ใช่ไหม? X. From our mother and our father. May chromosomes. In the chromosomes, may DNA.ใช่ไหม? This is what we call the DNA. And then if you look closer inside the DNA, there is our gene. Okay? Genes. Na, ani, is the genes from our mother and our father. Okay, so genes. So look at this one. We can get the traits or the genes from our parents, like height, how tall you are, if you are tall or short. Eye color. Maybe we can get eye color from our father, our mother, like brown, gray. Okay, like American. Some American have really blue colored eye and some have gray eye. Also ears. The shape of our ears. So what if the children, example, this one, his father may be cliff, his mother may be cliff too, but the son, me, the son has cliff chin, cliff chin. Okay, children possess many features similar to those of their parents, but they can also differ from their parents' features in many ways. Chai, it's not all that we can get from our parents. Sometimes we make our own. Okay, sometimes we make our own. What do we call for that? We called it variations. Variations. Okay, what's the meaning of variations? Differences in characteristics among members of family or species. Okay, differences in characteristic among members of family or species. Okay, sometimes the siblings, or example, the daughter is not the same with her father or not the same with her mother. She make her own unique person, okay? But she get her chromosomes from her father and mother. But she just make another what do we call for that? Version of herself. Okay. So here, earlobe shapes. So this one we can see free earlobe, attached earlobe. Okay, if you have like this one, we call it free earlobe. Okay, I will check mine what I have. Oh, I have a very big ears. Teacher Mary has a very big ears. I think it's free earlobe, not attached. Because if attached, it's like this, right? Attached earlobe. But Teacher Mary has free earlobe. I have very big ears. Okay. Okay, let's summarize the words that we have learned. Okay, let's read. The transfer of characteristics from parents to offspring is known as heredity or inheritance. Okay? Next, things like eye color and height are traits that are transferred from parents to child. These are called hereditary characteristics. The nucleus of the cell contains thread-like structures called chromosomes. Semai? In the cell, in a human cell, in the center, we call it nucleus. In the center. And then inside the nucleus there, we can see the structure or thread of chromosomes. So when we say chromosomes, what is the shape? Or what it looks like? It looks like X, letter X.ใช่ไหม? Genes are basic units of heredity located on chromosomes. They are short sections of DNA responsible for the transmission of characteristics from parents to their children or to the offspring. Okay, differences among members of a family or species are called variation. Okay, variations like the color of the eye and the shape of earlobes in humans. Okay, we can be unique. We can be not the same all the time with our father, with our mother. We can make our own version of ourselves. But still, we have their genes. Okay, and that's it for today's lesson in science. Hope you learned. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you.